This thing is gonna change everything. It's gonna change everything. You know what? I wish when I received it that I had like received it like I was a knight in shining armor receiving his throne. And then like outside I was like knighting it with my sword. Like,
thank you. Take it. You're a lucky man.
without further ado, here we go. Look at this. She's a beauty. Amazing. She's heavy. Oh! Oh, look at it. Can you see it? Oh. First look, people. First look. Heated seats. It sounds like this probably opens automatically.
That would be really nice.
It would be. Yeah, we'll figure it all out after we get installed. Let's bring it to the bathroom. So she's gonna go right down here in that covered spot. This toilet is by Horrow. We have been waiting for quite a while to get this and get it installed. Oh, look at that. It tells you right there. You can just open it with your foot. Or maybe that's the flushing part. We'll see. Let's see what we got with the toilet. It comes with a toilet ring, which is awesome because we bought one, so we can take that one back. Nice thick wax ring. I already have the flange installed, so I won't need this part. Hardware. Comes with batteries. Does it not plug into the wall? Does it really run on batteries? No. I thought for sure it plugs into the wall. It does plug into the wall. Yeah. Okay, so here's I already have an outlet installed near my toilet. So yeah, I guess the batteries are for backup power. This toilet has a remote, people. Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. You install this right next to your toilet. You got the remote right next to it.
That's really cool.
Look at all those settings on there. Babe, what's gonna be your favorite setting? I'll tell you my favorite. It has a dryer.
No.
It's got a dryer, look at that.
What in the world?
Seat temperature, water temperature, deodorizer. Probably does
like soap?
No, probably like a poopery is what I'm guessing. You obviously want to get a plumber, professional plumber like myself. I'm actually not a professional, I'm a total amateur. The T37 HOROW toilet, Horrow. And what's awesome, they have a 10-inch model. I had to put my toilet drain 10 inches from the wall instead of the standard 12 inches because there was a beam directly in the way. And luckily, this amazing smart toilet comes in 10-inch model. I'm gonna do this. Look at my tools and get this puppy in. Oh my gosh.
Put your thing inside into the floor.
Oh my gosh, it's too close. And now it's leaking. Oh my gosh. It's making noises. No way. It works.
This looks scary. Now we're about to fit this.
That's just trash, throw it away. Remember how much time I spent on the sides trying to put the bolts down? Mm-hmm. I finally opened the instruction manual and I learned something about the toilet. Open all this and you grab here and this comes off.
Are you joking me?
And you go in here and install it and tighten the bolts.
Oh my goodness. Remember I asked you?
What'd you ask me?
I said there has to be a way where this comes off, and you're like, no,
You
it
said
doesn't.
that?
Yeah, a long time ago.
I was literally like this for probably 2 hours trying to get my finger in there, feel the bolt. I probably lost 2 years of my life in stress just trying to get that on. This gets a 9-volt battery. I'm guessing for backup if like the power goes out while you're sitting on the toilet maybe.
I'm sure the manual will tell you.
Who's Manuel? Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay. As I walk in the bathroom and approach the toilet, watch what happens. Da-de-da-de-da. The first lid will open up. Now, if I'm a man and I gotta go number one, with that sensor, you just wave your foot in front of that. Do your biz, use your foot again. It closes, and now you're done. You walk away, it closes, and then it turns red, and the toilet flushes.
Sweet.
The seat is really nice and warm already. And if you hear that, that's not a flush, that's a pre-wetting feature. So it pre-wets the bowl, the inside of the bowl, so that minimizes stickage, streakage.
Ew.
Okay, so there's rear wash, front wash. These two have multiple settings, so you press it once to start cleaning, then you press it again, it has a swinging cleaning. I guess it goes this way or this way. But same thing with front wash. You can control the strength of that. You can actually also control the strength of the flush. Once you're done washing, you can use the dryer and control the actual temperature of the air. Isn't that nice?
That's crazy.
You have to be sitting on the toilet to do any of these features. There we go. It's like a blow dryer. I can feel it through my pants, how hot that is. This thing is absolutely amazing. Close it from here. And what's cool is all these auto features, you can turn them on or off. And even without all these features, it has this knob that basically does everything you need. Yeah, that's the flush. You press it in to flush it. And then it has the bidet still on there. I love my toilet. All right, babe, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna put this sucker to the test. Okay, that's it. My HOROW toilet is fully ready to go, and I think I'm gonna give it a shot. So thank you so much, HOROW, for this awesome toilet. This is above and beyond what I was expecting when I got this smart toilet. Like, this is truly a smart toilet. I mean, this thing has features I never thought anybody would ever need for a toilet. But now that I have them, I might be getting one for each of my 3 bathrooms in the house. I'm gonna have a life filled with moments of defecating joy. I don't know how else to put it.